This is Kikar's bar. There is a sign here. Get this. Another bar, abandoned bar. Kikar's bar. And this is the building. It's in the cupboard above the stove. Above the sink, I mean. Yeah, it's all locked up. This is it. No windows. But I don't know how long it's been closed up. Somebody tried to get in here. Trying to break in. People. I don't know why people gotta do that crap. I don't break in, I don't take anything. It's not, if it's open, I'll go in. But if it's not open, I'm not going in. I'm not gonna break into somebody's property, even if it's abandoned. Just not gonna do it. It's not right. And it's not right to go in and vandalize. People doing the vandals doing stuff really makes me angry. They give everybody a bad name, and then nobody wants anybody exploring anything, you know? Oh wow, they had a outside area here, it looks like. Let's see. Yeah, they've welded the door shut because of people coming in here. Looks like, see? Welded the door shut. As people were coming in here. It's crazy. People shouldn't do that. Yep. But that's Kara's or whatever. Abandoned bar. That's it. That's the back side. And we're in Casa Grande. Look at that pile of tires. Look at that. The pile of tires there. Wow. Some of them look brand new. Huh. Wow. Wonder what size this is. That looks like it fit on mine. Let me see. 255, 65. Michelin. Wow. Some of those tires are good. That one's good. Oh, there's some kind of animal in there. Those are good. Somebody dumped them out here. Just dumped them. Huh. Alright. Well, guys, please like and subscribe. Chair. 2 chairs. Someone stays out here, I think. I hear the train. Sorry about the bounce. I don't have it on my stabilizer bar. I just came out and... Alright, stop. I'm gonna stop. Bye. I'm gonna start over.